They gonna joke me and make Michael Manley. See it ya? Me telling you about it, you know. Sister Angie. Yeah man, we not sell out. We are doing it for the youth them. Michael Man, we all Michael Manley children.
No one forever.
No one forever.
Yeah.
You know see it? Yes, Aya. Yeah man. We not sell out.
PMP to the world.
PMP to the world.
Every time.
Yeah man, a strictly orange way, you know.
Take it back and
Take
take it to them back.
Yeah man, be till you see me orange car. If it's a job business,
Of course.
I be orange car, you know.
Now take nobody light. Alright.
You understand me? Yeah man, my general.
PMP no one forever.
Yeah man, PMP no one forever.
Paparazzi.
Yeah man, see me was daughter, yeah. Give me the smile. Yeah man,
PMP every time.
PMP every time. See it yeah. Nice, Falmouth. Best place to live. Tourists coming out. Look at me place there. The best place in the world, Falmouth. Me no want to live in America. Yeah. Look on the stock. Yeah man, look on the stock. Look on the stock. As a Falmouth people them live right now. Look on tourists. Falmouth are the best tourist destination in Jamaica because they're safe. Yeah man, nobody not harass them. Nobody not harass them. See it yeah? Falmouth people must survive. Yes. Yeah man, me are telling you. Yes. Look on tourists. Welcome to Jamaica. The best place in the world. The land of wood and water and reggae. Me catch this here. Look on tourists. Them feel safe as up. Jamaica are the best tourist destination in the Caribbean. The best tourist destination. Now I tell you, welcome to Jamaica. Land of reggae music and happiness and joy. Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. From to my work, I carry on the tourists them and I live them life. Yes. That's how we live, brother. Yeah, man. Yes. I'm glad. That's how I go. The best tourism destination, Falmouth. Yeah, man. In the Caribbean. Yeah. But the place pretty. Me understand, me not put it on you, my friend. Me not put it on you, me not put it on you. I like you, me know, me have a problem. I like the social media, me not put it on you.
Mommy getting that? Yeah man, we don't need each other.
Yeah man. Yes. Michael Manley daughter.
Oh yeah, I want this one. I know.
How much is this one?
Okay, we now going to do for 10 for you 7. I'm giving a deal on everything, man. Don't worry. So with this and this, it'll be 22, guys.
Yes, Aya. Boy Anisha.
Hello, and any hot
Boy Anisha, me miss you. Boy Anisha, sir, me still my friend. Me know say the America still, but you know. Me miss you, Boy Anisha. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Two of them work out for good. You're getting the price of 2 for 1 day. Oh, I know, but which one is better? This
She
one
don't
I-
want too spicy.
Okay.
Right, me I tell you. Yes, me love this, me love this lah. It's a go on the vice of bed, Miller.
I mean, is this which one's better? Is it that one? This one is nice along with it, but she's saying you don't want 2. Because normally I sell 2. It's not spicy. How much? 2 or 2? I'm giving you for $30. I'm giving you a deal, man. I'm selling for that, so that's 30. How much is it? Yeah, man, I'm not being bad. I give
No for Angie.
all.
No for Angie, me go the husband. See the husband
Yes,
here,
sir.
PMP
How are
in
you?
life.
Yes.
Michael Manley children. Yes. Yeah, man.
Ask if she want kitchen towels. Angela,
Eh?
if she want kitchen towels, we got
Oh,
kitchen
I don't
towels.
got 30. I got 30.
I think it's 30.
Me I tell you.
Oh, how much you need?
I only got 30.
And how much was it?
Yeah, man. Black American. Why me love this about it.
Okay? One love, guys. Where's the bag? So put that. You didn't have to get a bag? Yes, guys, this is what we do out in Falmouth. You know, we try to make the customers happy. You know, we are people first. We live in this location, and guess what? this is the best thing ever happened to us because guess what? It could be much better.
I mean, one day you say a PJ Patterson idea, the ship here.
Exactly. PJ Patterson was the one great ship here, and we are not getting too much benefit of it because of the politics going on here, but it's all good.
It's all good. You'll survive, same way.
We'll survive.
But
Okay.
more than knows a PJ Patterson start the ship here at Falmouth. A film idea. And Bruce then build funny. A PJ Patterson idea. Only say not do nothing at all in the 90s. Yeah, me I tell you. See church closed and no man close it. Close for repair. The church are repair. So you ever see that so? Yeah. That's why I live nowhere else in the world. Falmouth alone me I live. Best place, Falmouth are the best place in the
Best place, Jamaica.
Jamaica, the best place. Yeah man, we don't know that enough. Jamaica, the best place in the world. We don't have to live in America. Welcome all the Americans them. Canadians them, Europeans them. Are the best place in the world. Jamaica.
You want to stop somewhere? You let the driver know. Don't tell them when you see something when you want to stop there, you let them know.
Yeah man. Yeah man. You like it in Jamaica? Jamaica the best place.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah man, nice man.
It's the best place.
Okay. Will you folks are?
Islands from St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
Okay, absolutely. Okay, now I tell you. Jamaica, the place I use but produce Usain Bolt and Bob Marley. The best place. Got to go. Yes, I Caribbean people, everybody, they got to go. Thank for the support here. Yeah, man. Thank you all for the support. Thank you all for the support. Yeah, man.
Oh, thank you. All right.
Yes.
$3.
Oh, yeah.
You need two? You need water?
Here, Abby.
This one?
This one. Thank you. Yeah.
Back to $7.
Man, I tell you. That's how we live.
We appreciate it, sir.
You know, see.
We appreciate it.
Thank for the support.
Thank you very much. I will.
And tour guide,
See you later.
thank you. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Thank you all. Yeah?
Are we leaving?
Yeah.
Don't rush, don't rush, don't rush, don't rush. They're not running.
Yes, man, I'll tell you. Yes. We passed through the right time. We was a Caribbean girl, man, St. Vincent. She come from St. Vincent, the Grenadines. Man, me, I'll tell you. That's it. We come from St. Vincent.
Well, we're living in Montreal, both of us. Me and my husband live in Montreal now.
Okay, you want to live in Montreal? You're from St. Vincent?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, from the Caribbean. Nice, nice.
Oh, there you go. Get them on. They're my customers. Get something. Get something. Hard to find out.
I'll tell you.
What you want? Seasoning well? What you want? Tell me, let me take it up for you. Get something from me. What about one of these seasonings?
Okay, get something for me while he's videoing you, man. $5.
I want to look.
Okay.
Yeah, look, yeah, look.
One more time.
Why me I tell you?
One more time, we're running it.
People in Jamaica, the shipping. When you see I go on, the ship here at Falmouth, I was PJ, a brainchild of PJ Patterson, and continue by Boots Gold in them. Don't be fooled.
I don't mean we just find earlier the one to go outside.
Yeah man, don't be tricked. Yeah man, don't be tricked. Yeah man. Yeah man, I tell you. As I say, I go sign off for now. You come the right time and I catch you sir. You go post up this at all. In a seat. Yes sir. I find more people them. Politics now divide them. People from both sides of things are us out sir. I'm sorry to go. And I love and unity. All about love. As I said, Jamaica the best place to live. Yes. So how many? Give me so you go sign off. Yeah man, we go sign off. So at this me come to show them.
Yeah.
Michael, yeah, come in and share that so.
Oh,
Yeah man, the Michael Manley. See it on. Yeah man. See free I want you. And the my one to have up.
No.
Hold it on my one now. Turn it now and hold it. You can't video, you must can't do video. Hold it on my one now. In a seat, see my one or two. You want one too?
Michael Manley.
You want Michael Manley Pickney?
Yeah.
Alright. When I give it for your birthday, I go build one for you.
Okay,
You go
there
send
you
it one for you.
go.
You want Michael
Alright,
Manley?
son.
I go build one for you.
Alright.
Yeah, man. We are Michael Manley children. We are Michael Manley Pickney. Eh? You want one? I'll give one for your birthday. As a calendar. No, I can't give one now. I want some buy a key ring and print and give one. You know see? You have chain, can put it on?
Yeah.
You have chain, alright. 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 I'm gonna give one Michael Manley. Yeah man, yeah man.
I'm a boy.
Michael Manley, huh?
I'm a boy.
What you mean, man?
I'm a boy.
Life.
Life.
Yeah.
Beggar, but he's the best.
Okay.
He was the best.
Okay.
Sure.
Eh? You shy? Yeah, right. More sign off for now. Count the money, my girl. Count the money. Walk up in the video light and count the money.
I have to make $100 every day for put for one.
Me, don't say a word. Don't say a word. I gone, me gone. I break fast. I me bill them. I me bill them. You never ask me buy. I me she buy from. I me bill them. Eh?
So he's saying going to give you one for you?
Yeah man. Me again look at you and Michael Manley. You want me Michael Manley? You see? Eh? 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 Me again know because you want me Michael Manley. You get it man. Know yourself. You go get it. You get it. I'm a girlfriend long time. Eh? You feel jealous side? You feel jealous side?
No, you see me take off the chain and me have on yesterday and tell us that me have Billy Pan one next one.
You feel jealous of mine? Eh? Yes, yeah. Alright, I'm sign off for now. I'm going to move on, yeah? No, I can't give that man. I go bill on for you, man. I go bill on for you. I go look some break for us now. I can't give that one now. I bill on for you. Yeah, alright.
Every time, PMP, every time, PMP,
Yeah, every time, alright.